In this video, I'll be discussing angular momentum and its application in gravitation. So, I'll take an example, and before taking example, I'll first of all prove that angular momentum is conserved in gravitation. So suppose that there is a path, let's say elliptical orbit like this, and let us say this is our sun here, and let's say a planet is revolving around the sun, so it has, let's say, velocity v0 at point P. My question is that what is the velocity at point P dash? Let's say the velocity is v dash. So we want to achieve the velocity v dash, and mass of the satellite or mass of this planet is m. So mass of the planet is small m. Find its velocity when it crosses the point P dash. Okay, so understand, whenever this particle is here, line of action of this force, attraction force, will be this. This is the gravitational attraction between the planet and the sun, which is always passing through this particular sun, let's say point P, or let's say point S. So as torque about point S is always 0, as torque about point, this will be Fg into 0. R perpendicular is always 0 because line of action of this force is always passes through this point. So if I can say that torque about point S is 0, and we know that torque is equal to dl by dt, that means about point S we can also write dls by dt, and this is 0. So dls by dt is 0, that means dls is 0, that means ls is constant. And what is this ls? Ls is the nothing else angular momentum about point S. That means now I can write L is equal to constant, that means L initial and L final. So initially the angular momentum of this satellite or this planet is, which is m into, so we know that L is equal to mvr sine theta, but here in both the positions theta is equal to 90 degree, or else we can say mv into r sine theta. R sine theta becomes r perpendicular, so r perpendicular is m v0 into, let's say this distance is, if it is given a and this distance is taken to be b, we can say mv into a is equal to mv dash into b. This m and m is cancelled out, so v dash will be v0 a upon b. Pretty straightforward and simple. So this is the application of angular momentum conservation in gravitation. Okay, I believe that you understood this torque part. Torque about point S is always 0. Okay, yeah.